Have you ever noticed that some people remember you only when they need something? Have you ever ignored your own plans, your sleep, your peace, just to help someone who disappears later like they never knew you? If yes, then listen carefully, because life keeps taking from you until you finally learn to protect yourself. In a quiet countryside, surrounded by wheat fields, there lived a man named James. Everyone knew James. If a cart got stuck, they called James. If rain damaged someone's roof, they called James. If anyone needed help or advice, James was always there. He believed helping people was a good thing. But slowly, his own life stopped being his. His farm was unfinished, his walls needed fixing, yet he spent his days fixing everyone else's problems. One night, his mother asked James, "James, you help everyone, but who helps you?" James just smiled. "One day they will remember my kindness." But that day never came. Then one afternoon, a storm arrived. Everyone ran to protect their crops. James ran to help his friend Jacob first. They saved Jacob's hay, but James's own wheat remained in the open. The storm hit hard, and James lost everything. That night, his mother whispered, "You saved their harvest, but not your own." Those words broke something inside him. Next morning, James went to see old George, a wise farmer. James said, "I help everyone, but I feel empty, not tired from work, tired from people." George pointed at the river. "That river gives water to everyone. But when the river forgets its path and spreads everywhere, what happens?" James said, "It destroys everything." George nodded. "That's why even kindness needs boundaries. Otherwise, kindness becomes self-destruction." So George gave him one rule. For 7 days, don't say yes fast. Ask yourself first, can I afford this right now? If not, say, not today. And watch what happens. The week felt strange. Jacob came again. "My bull is sick. Come help me." James looked at his half-done field. He breathed deeply. "I'm sorry, Jacob. I must finish my own work today." Jacob was shocked. "You said no?" "Yes. I can help tomorrow, not today." Jacob left. James felt a bit guilty, but he kept working. By sunset, his field was finally complete. Next days, more people came, but James said no politely. And every night, he slept with peace. Day 4, more rain came. James's roof started leaking. No one came. Silence. But instead of pain, he felt power. He fixed his roof alone. Sitting under it, he whispered, "So this is what self-respect feels like." Weeks passed. James changed. He no longer rushed for every request. He chose peace over approval. And surprisingly, people respected him more. They solved their own problems. His land grew greener. His health improved. People liked him not because he served the world, but because he finally valued himself. Old George visited him and smiled. "So tell me, James, did the world fall apart when you started saying no?" James smiled back. "No, George, it got better." George nodded. "When you stopped saying yes to everyone, you finally said yes to yourself." So, my friend watching this, are you like James? Always available to others, but empty inside? Remember this, saying no doesn't make you bad, it makes you wise. Protect your time, protect your energy, protect your peace, because people respect what you protect. If this story touched your heart, subscribe to Emo Stories, where every story teaches life